Welcome to Beyond Buzz. Space is vast and mostly empty, but sometimes cosmic events shake things up. On October 19, 2025, Comet 3I Atlas swept past Mars in a rare close encounter. NASA's orbiters turned their instruments to capture every detail, hoping to analyze the comet's dust and gas. But as data streamed in, the MRO's camera caught a glimpse of something odd on the Martian surface. At first it looked like a glitch, but soon it was clear. This was no error. The comet's passage had revealed a secret hidden beneath the Martian dust. The discovery sent shockwaves through the mission team, eclipsing the comet's mystery with a new Martian enigma. The discovery began with a single strange image from the HiRISE camera. In Amazonas Planitia, something geometric emerged from the dust, a structure, not a crater or dune. Dr. Eris Thorne, a young geologist, confirmed it wasn't a sensor glitch. The raw data showed perfectly straight lines and sharp angles, like a building's foundation. The outline was unmistakable, spanning an area the size of a football stadium. A comet's flyby had scoured away dust, revealing the hidden structure. The excitement in the control room was palpable. The geometry was too perfect to ignore. Now the hunt for answers had truly begun. Mars had just revealed a new mystery. So what does this thing actually look like? HiRISE images and other scans revealed a massive, grid-like pattern. Think of a giant, complex tic-tac-toe board. The intersecting lines are about 10 meters wide, rising a few meters above the surface, and made of a material much darker than typical Martian soil. Spectrometer readings showed a composition rich in iron and magnesium, but with a crystalline structure unknown to science. It's not volcanic rock, not sedimentary, something entirely new. The grid spans roughly 300 by 200 meters, with lines deviating less than a degree over their length. Natural processes can create straight lines, but not with this precision or repetition. The structure looks organized, deliberate, out of place on a planet shaped by random forces. Radar scans revealed the structure extends up to 20 meters underground. It's not just a surface feature. It's a massive, three-dimensional object. The material is denser than anything nearby. Whatever this is, it's solid, ancient, and has been hidden for eons. The comet's flyby didn't just reveal a curiosity. It exposed a profound Martian mystery. Scientists were left with more questions than answers. How did it get there? What is it made of? The discovery was a game changer. Mars had just become a lot more interesting. The search for explanations was on, and the world was watching. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, or MRO, became the star of the show. Launched in 2005, it's mapped Mars in stunning detail for nearly 2 decades. Its HiRISE camera captured the first images of the grid, while other instruments quickly followed up. The MRO's team at JPL had to juggle comet observations and the new Martian Anomaly, pulling off a complex dance of spacecraft maneuvers. Once the structure was spotted, the orbiter's focus shifted entirely to Amazonas Planitia. CRISM analyzed the minerals, CTX provided context images, and SHARAD probed beneath the surface. Each instrument added a new layer to the puzzle. The material was strange, the geometry perfect, and the structure ancient. The MRO was designed to find rocks and water, not buried geometric enigmas. Yet here it was, delivering the most baffling discovery of its mission. The orbiter became our eyes and ears, revealing a Mars we never expected. The data kept coming, but the answers remained elusive. The MRO's longevity and versatility made this discovery possible. It's a testament to the power of robotic exploration. Sometimes, the universe hands you a mystery you never saw coming. The MRO had just rewritten the story of Mars. The world waited for the next chapter. The search for answers had only just begun, and the red planet was holding its secrets tight. At NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, excitement mixed with confusion. Dr. Alara Vance, MRO's lead scientist, summed it up. "We thought we understood Martian geology. This changes everything." The structure's geometry defied natural explanation. Perfect grids, dense unknown material, and immense age. Scientists triple-checked the data. It held up. The paradox, a feature that looks artificial on a planet with no known builders. Computer models failed to replicate the pattern with known geological processes. The anomaly didn't fit any chart or theory. Experts admitted they were stumped. "My first thought was instrument error," said Dr. Kenji Tanaka. "But the data is solid. It's real." Now the challenge was to find a natural explanation, if one existed. The team brainstormed, tested, and debated. Every hypothesis hit a wall. The mystery deepened. The scientific world was captivated. Mars had thrown down the gauntlet. Science demands natural explanations first. NASA's team explored every possibility: volcanic activity, tectonic forces, mineral crystallization, columnar jointing like at Earth's Giant's Causeway was considered, but the Martian grid was horizontal, not vertical, and the material didn't match. Tectonic dikes and faults were modeled, but nature rarely draws perfect, intersecting lines on this scale. Mineral crystallization in a long-gone Martian lake? Possible, but unprecedented. Every theory ran into the same problem: the structure's precision and scale. No known process fit all the facts. The anomaly resisted easy answers. The search for a natural cause continued, but hope was fading. The structure stood as a challenge to everything we thought we knew about planetary geology. The data was clear, but the explanation was not. Mars had delivered a true scientific puzzle, and the world was hooked. Mars is no stranger to strange geology: blueberries, spiders, dust devils, and more. Our brains see patterns everywhere, but this grid was no illusion. Multiple instruments confirmed its existence and geometry. This wasn't pareidolia, it was a real, measured anomaly. NASA scientists called it a structure, or anomaly. Careful not to speculate. The focus: gather more data, build 3D models, and search for similar features elsewhere. Could there be more grids buried under Martian dust? The investigation was painstaking, limited to orbital data. The dream: send a rover, or humans, to the site for direct study. Until then, every new image and scan would bring us closer to the truth. The challenge was immense, but so was the potential reward. Mars had given us a mystery worthy of the best detective work. The scientific method would guide the way. The red planet was keeping its secrets for now. This is why we explore: to find the unknown, to chase the mysteries we never imagined. The Amazonas Planitia grid is a giant question mark on Mars, demanding answers. The discovery will fuel calls for a dedicated mission to the site. The scientific payoff could be enormous, rewriting our understanding of Mars. For now, we rely on orbiters and data, piecing together the puzzle from afar. The journey for answers may take years, even decades. But that's the nature of exploration. The comet's flyby was meant to study the cosmos. Instead, it revealed a Martian enigma. Mars still holds wonders beneath its dust. The mystery is a call to keep searching, questioning, and pushing the boundaries of knowledge. The truth is out there, waiting to be uncovered. Every discovery brings new questions. The adventure continues. Mars has surprised us once again, and the world is watching, eager for the next revelation.